Hello students, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Students, recently I have received your English presentation videos and I would like to appreciate you all for your immense efforts. So congratulations, you all have performed really well. Students, you need to rate for the results. So students, as you all know that in the recent video lesson, we have completed this chapter number 3, nouns from the grammar. So in today's video lesson, we will be starting with a new chapter. But before we start with any of that, you have to do 3 things for me. And I hope you all remember those 3 things. You have to like the video. You have to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any new notification. And you have to share the videos with your friends and classmates. So now let's get started. Students, in today's video lesson, we will be starting with the introduction of the chapter. So I would like to request you all that kindly write down all the details in your English Fair register. So let's begin with today's video lesson. Chapter 6, The Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson, and it's a poem. So students, first we will start with the introduction. Let's learn some facts about eagles. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey with heavy heads and beaks. Students, I hope you all understand the meaning of prey. Prey means those larger birds who are hunting and killing other smaller birds for their food, right? Eagles have very large hooked beaks for ripping flesh from their prey. All eagles are carnivores. It means they eat meat from other animals including fish, snake, rabbits, etc. Now if we talk about class, eagles belong from aves class, right? And their lifespan is 20 years. Usually they are found in Africa and Eurasia. So students, I hope you have understood these facts about eagles. Students, let's learn something about the poet now. Alfred Lord Tennyson, 1809 to 1892, was a British poet. He started writing poems when he was just 17. So basically, he started his career when he was very young, when he was in his teenage. The Eagle was inspired by Alfred Lord Tennyson's frequent visit to Pyrenees, a beautiful mountain range on the border between Spain and France. So, he was frequently visiting to Pyrenees, a beautiful mountain range where he got the inspiration when he noticed this beautiful eagle. The poem was written in 1851, in which Lord Tennyson captures a simple action of an eagle diving from a mountain top. So he was a very good observer. He observed and captures a simple action of an eagle diving from a mountain top. So the poem must be about the beauty of this eagle. Understood? So students, today we will be only doing the introduction part. In the next video lesson, we will continue further. So students, I hope that you've understood the concept till here. So make sure that you do check the description box for your assignments and your notes. So please make sure that you complete all your notes and the assignments. Okay. So students, now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson with some another interesting facts. Till then, keep on learning, keep on completing your work. And yes, before going, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends and classmates. Goodbye. Take care.